Hey friends, and I'm Safir, and today in this video we will learn how to add and subtract positive integers. So let's get to it. So first things we need to know is if we are adding. So if we are adding, it means that it will move. It means that our number will go to more. It will move to the right side of the number line. And if we are subtracting, then it will be the opposite. It would go to the left side of the number line. And it might be a bit confusing at first because you don't know what I'm talking about, but we will see in some examples, and then I think you will finally start to understand what I'm talking about. So our first example is -1 plus 2. So now if we think about our number line, beautiful number line, we have here, we have -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think that'd be enough. And here they're saying that we have to add or move to the right side of the number line because we are adding. So moving to the right side, how much times? By 2. So we will start from 1 and we will move twice, once and twice, and so our number lands on 1. So our answer would be -1 plus 2 equals to 1. So let's try it with a few more examples so we can get a grip of it. So next example, -3 plus 5. So again, if we think about our number line, -3, 2, okay, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think that'd be enough. So we start from -3, and as seen here, it's a add sign, so we're moving to the right side of the number line, and by how much? We are moving by 5 to the right side. So we start at -3 and we move right 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and our number lands on +2. So this side is the negative side and this side is the positive side, and so +2. And so maybe I haven't talked about this before, but 0 is like the middle of the positive side and the negative side. So if we're at the left side of the 0, that means we're on the negative side, and once we go past 0 to the right side, it means we are on the positive side. Okay, just keep that in mind. And so as we've seen here in our answer, -3 plus 5 equals to +2. So now let's try it with another one. Erase all that. Shouldn't have erased the number line. So -11 plus 9. So now let's try it without drawing the number line. Let's try to visualize it in our head. So it's a negative 11. So we're starting from the left side. And then we think, okay, we have a plus sign. So we know that we're going to be moving to the right of the number line, and by how much? We're moving by 9 times. And so we do that. And so if we just think about it, we're moving 9 times. We stop at negative 3 equals to negative 3. And so now if we check our answer, negative 11, negative 10, negative 9, negative 8, negative 7, negative 6, negative 5, negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0. We move 9 times to the right, once, twice, thrice, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sorry, my bad. See, I was wrong. It should have been negative 2. See, even I was wrong. So now, if we do it now, let's try to visualize another one. So let's say we start from now a positive side, from the positive side, so 31, and we are subtracting 51. So now let's think about it, positive side. So we're starting from the right side or this side, and now we are moving to the left 51 times. So if we think about it, we are moving 12. So then our answer here would be negative 12. And yes, so now friends, let's recap what we have learned today. What we have learned today is adding and subtracting positive integers. And the key points we have learned today is when we are adding, it means that we are moving to the right side of our imaginary number line. And when we are subtracting, it's the opposite. We are moving to the left side of the number line. And so from our previous example, here we have 39. So we're starting from the right side or the positive side, and then it's negative. So we are moving to the left side of the number line by how much times? By 51. And when we think about the imaginary number line and we go on, we move to the left 51 times, our answer will be negative 12. And so that's it for today, friends, and bye, and I'll see you next time.